back. We are here. It is the final day of CES.
When you get home from work, there's just nothing really powerful there to help you. So basically, we built a virtual assistant that holds all of your household's information. So you can organize everything by life area, which is awesome.
By life area. Like, talk dirty to me, please.
Right?
I love it.
Everything to do with your home, from those appliance manuals and serial numbers to your day-to-day calendar, schedules, and tasks, so that everyone can access it. Go ask EEVA.
We are here. It is the final day of CES 2026, and that is usually when we find the hidden gems. And let me tell you, I have found the creme de la creme of your new organization of life. I am here with Bree.
Hi.
From EEVA, which stands for?
Easy, efficient virtual assistant. But one that actually helps you on a day-to-day life.
There are virtual assistants that sometimes you feel like, okay, this is actually feeling like I have to train something, it's giving me more work to do. Now I feel like I need to maintain something else. Yeah. Tell me why this is so different.
Yeah, so when you think about a home assistant, people think about Alexa, Siri. Yeah. They can find what the weather is, they can maybe play a song, but when you have to deal with all of this mental load stuff, the things that you got to deal with on a day-to-day basis, when you get home from CES, when you get home from work, there's just nothing really powerful there to help you. So we wanted to bring that technology to the home and actually be a support system for people in a day-to-day way.
I love that.
Yeah.
For me, so we talked about, because I got a little bit of the breakdown before, the warranties on your machines, right? Changing your air filters, that we constantly have to kind of either set a reminder in the calendar or keep in the back of our brains to be like, oh, I guess we should change that, or you start to see something breaking down, right? Things like that. But I think, and women and moms, you're going to relate to this so deeply. This is where you had me, is where you feel like everyone comes to you. Yeah. For everything. You are the person that carries the mental load of the family. You're the one that knows when the dinner parties are, when the baby appointments are, when the flights are, when things need to be changed, when we're out of diapers, all the things. Yeah. And
you're the central information system and like the default person that people go to, and then that increases your own mental load on top of all the things you already have to remember.
That's it.
Yeah.
On top of your own personal things. Yeah. So then, that being said, now our new tag phrase has become what?
Go ask EEVA. Basically, we built a virtual assistant that holds all of your household's information. So everything to do with your home, from those appliance manuals and serial numbers to your day-to-day calendar, schedules, and tasks, so that everyone can access it. You can assign things to each other and really, truly collaborate and remember all this stuff that you're just so used to forgetting and being stressed out by. Yeah.
Right. Or what I like is that, because you're going to show us the interface here, I have all of that information in my calendar, in my email, on other apps, on my phone somewhere in my notes. And so everything's in a different place, right? You need a contact number, here it's in my contacts, versus here it's all in one easy location. And you can throw it all in there, you can dump it in, all that information, and it will organize it for you by category.
Exactly, yeah. And that's the thing, like, when the iPhone came out, we were all like, oh my God, awesome, I can hold all of this in one place.
Right?
But now there's like 100 apps that don't talk to each other. Yeah. So we were like, if we're truly gonna solve the mental load problem, we actually have to make one simple solution.
That's it.
Right? That covers all the bases. And we've been told, oh, you guys are doing too much, like you have to niche down. And we were like, no, but life isn't niche. Like life is complex as hell. And so we really wanted to make one consolidated place that actually supports you, and as we release more AI features that are more powerful, it'll get to know you, see what you have in the app, start anticipating and suggesting things that you didn't even think about based on what you have going on. And that way it's like taking that mental load off of your plate for real.
Yeah, life is not niche. Thank you for recognizing that and validating us for that, because that makes us feel so good. This is exactly what you want it to be. Quick, easy, and fun. It is supposed to be one less thing to help you with all of the things, not add more to your day and to your things you need to organize. So as you can see here, this is what the app, if you want to go back to the main page where you had all of the
So this is basically where people can organize things together. It's all the tasks and events they got going on. You can pin stuff. You can have like a log of everything that's happened. You can assign things to each other. And then basically you can organize everything by life area, which is awesome.
By life area, like talk dirty to me, please. Right? I love it.
And these are all going to become their own dashboards with AI agents that specialize in helping you with those areas. But for example, with the house, you have your property info, your appliances, they're all listed here. You can scan your appliance sticker and it'll auto-populate the make, model, and the user manual for you. Eventually, it'll also parse out those different maintenance tasks you got going on that you never remember because you threw out the user manual.
Yeah, because the user manual is in some junk drawer somewhere that we don't remember.
Exactly, yeah. Right. You can sync your calendars and your contacts, so everything is truly in one place. And we just added an AI layer that makes this even easier, because inputting this information does take time, and we don't want this to feel like a chore. So for now, you can voice note and brain dump everything you got going on that week, what's on your plate, and it'll organize it into tasks, events, and notes for you. That's just today. We have so much planned. We have a whole prototype built that takes this virtual assistant even further, where you could text or call EEVA and organize things that way. Yes. When you're on the go, if you're an elderly person and want to keep your agency, if you're neurodivergent. Also, it'll, like I said, get to know you, start suggesting things. One day, you're also going to be able to have EEVA call the repair person, deal with the washing machine that broke for you, because you have better things to do with your time.
And that is a true personal assistant, in my opinion, of like, well, now I have to make the phone call. No, I want something to make the phone call for me. Exactly. And so, yes, that is, you're right. There's layers of it. I do think that this whole AI movement is amazing, as we were discussing before, but it is something that we need to start doing in small, digestible, because we're really changing our lifestyle habits and the way that we move through the world by using things like this. And it's supposed to be something that's going to help us and be amazing, but it is so hard to break some of those habits we've had for decades. So this is such a great way. I already feel less overwhelmed just talking to you about it. I hope you do as well. This company is, listen to me, ladies, this is changing the game for our household. This is what you want to be using in 2026 moving forward.
We're going places, and we are offering it for $10 a year because we want you along the ride with us. The app is just going to get better and better, and we want to thank everyone who believes in us from the get-go. And yeah, watch us do big things.
Let's go. Let's get our shit together.
And fuck the mental load.
Fuck the mental load. Thank you so much for watching CES 2026. We are coming to a wrap up here, and what a wonderful way to finish out the conference with Bree here and EEVA. Also great name, by the way.
Thank
so
you.
Cute, easy, fun, love it.
I'll tell our CEO that you love it, because she came up with it.
I love it. Stay tuned. We've got a couple more things coming to you, and please just ask EEVA.
Go ask EEVA.